Hi everyone. I have 5 Holiday Unicorno Series 3 that I got on Black Friday when Tokidoki.com was having a sale, and I also picked up a backpack that I ended up loving, but I grabbed 5 of these because of course holiday themed. Gotta have it. Let's tear into these and see who we get. Completely destroying box. Here's the little checklist thingy. And here we go. If I can find the tear strip. I don't think these have a tear strip. Ooh, okay, so this one is Little Helper. It's a little reindeer with a little sash carrying mail, and he's carrying a letter to Santa Claus to the North Pole. This one's cute. It's a unique theme. And I like the little stamp and postmark. Okay, very cute. The next one is, oh yes, this one's name is Minty. It's pretty heavy. It's a little unicorno in a stocking. It looks like he's full of peppermint goodness. Oh, and he has a little chocolate bar sticking out. Really, really cute. Very festive. Oh no, why can't I open this? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Oop, knocked him over. So this one's name is Sprucy. And it's a Christmas tree themed. It kind of looks like it has a snow globe head with a snowflake inside. And it has a Christmas tree for a horn. Kind of is dressed like a jester. Like a medieval jester. Pretty cute. I know they had like green tree themed ones in the first 2 series. Okay. Who is inside? This one is called Ribbons. Red and gold themed. Has a little bear popping out of its head and little ornament earrings. She's pretty classy. Nice gold color. Cute. So far we're doing good. No dupes. Okay, last one. I'm kind of hoping for Regalia. Oh my gosh. Regaliano. I'm not even pronouncing that right. Regalino. There we go. Regalino. Kind of hoping for that one. But let's see. Oh no. We got a dupe. Womp womp. I think Minty has to be my favorite one. Minty or maybe Ribbons. Let me know what you think. Which one is your favorite from the series? And thank you all for watching.